Arabian Sea. It is a part of the Indian Ocean located between the coasts of the Arabian Peninsula and the Indian subcontinent. It is bordered to the north by Iran, Pakistan and Oman, to the east by the Indian subcontinent, and to the west by the Arabian Peninsula and the Horn of Africa. Its area is 3 million and is more than 3 million square kilometers, and its maximum depth is 4,652 meters. It is connected to the Red Sea by the Gulf of Aden from the west through the Bab al-Mandab Strait, and it's connected to the Arabian Gulf by the Gulf of Oman in the northwest. The surface area of the Arabian Sea is about 3,962,000 square kilometers, and its widest width is approximately 2,400 kilometers. The rivers Indus, Narmada, and Tapti flow directly into the sea. Among the most famous mountains that overlook the Dhofar mountain range in the Sultanate of Oman and the Western Ghats Mountains in India, it has two extended arms, the Gulf of Oman and the Gulf of Aden. The countries bordering the Arabian Sea are India, Iran, Oman, Pakistan, Yemen, Somalia, and the Maldives. It is overlooked by the several cities such as Mumbai in India, Karachi in Pakistan, Sur and Salalah in Oman, Mukalla in Yemen, and Bosaso in Somalia. The Arabian Sea generates many tropical depressions which often turn into storms that affect the countries bordering it, especially the Sultanate of Oman and Yemen. As for its limits, it limits it from the west, the eastern border of the Gulf of Aden, from the north, a line including Ras Al Had, the eastern point of the Arabian Peninsula, and Ras Jiwani on the Pakistani coast, from the southernmost point of Adu Atoll in the Maldives to the easternmost point of Ras Hafun, easternmost Africa, from the east a line extending from Sadajivgad at the western boundary of the Lakhdif Sea on the western coast of India to Kuradiva, and thence down the western side of Lakshadweep and the Maldives archipelago to the southernmost point of Adu Atoll in the islands Maldives. The Arabian Sea was an important maritime trade route from the area of coastal sailing ships, roughly from the 3rd millennium BC and certainly the late 2nd millennium BC until the later days known as the Age of Sail. Under Julius Caesar, many of the well-established combined land and sea trade routes depended on water transport across the sea surrounding the rugged interior to its north. The Arabian Sea played an important role in the emergence and development of the kingdoms of southern Arabia, such as Main, Hadramaut, and Saba, as commercial goods were exported from India and passed through the Arabian Peninsula to its markets in the Near East and the world. And Yemen and Hadramaut were one of the great commercial stations for those goods. There are many islands in the Arabian Sea, the most important of which are the islands of Lakshadweep, India, Socotra, Yemen, Masira, Oman, and Bift Talar, Pakistan, Dead Zone. The Dead Zone is an oxygen-free zone located in the Sea of Oman, and as a result it is devoid of any marine life. It is considered the largest dead zone in the world with an area equal to the size of Scotland.